More breaking news right now. We are just getting word of an officer-involved shooting. This one is in Coconino County. CCSO tweeting this out just about 2 hours ago. It says here that deputies were involved in a shooting, a standoff in Doney Park. That's just northeast of Flagstaff there off of Highway 89. We're working to get more information right now. We don't know if any deputies were injured, if the standoff suspect was shot either. That's something we're trying to figure out. So as soon as we get more information, count on us to pass that along to you, Allison.